Hi, everyone. This is Brad. Los Angeles Rams just won the Super Bowl, and I just used a shortcut to have the confetti cannon extension fire without having to click on it. So how can you do that? How can you open up other extensions with a shortcut? So if you go ahead up into the extensions, and you want to go down to Manage Extensions. In the upper left, select the three lines, the main menu, and you want to select Keyboard Shortcuts. And here are different ways that you could activate the extension. You can see I have Control-Shift-C. Make sure these are other ones that you would not want to take over. Like if you had Control-C, that would take away your copying ability for having a shortcut. So if we want to do a Bitmoji, say what you can do is click right in here and do Control-Shift-B. Let's go ahead and do that. And now, if I come back here, I can just hold down Control-Shift-B, and sure enough, there's my Bitmoji ready to go. If you have any questions, please reach out. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.